Okay guys, so as you can see, I trenched, I ran new drip to these sections because it was not coming out last night, so it's definitely dripping more. Actually, it's a lot, the pressure is really good. Over here in this bed, because this is also an issue, it's doing okay. Where the rose is, I guess because that's the end of the line, that's where I'm noticing it seems to be slowing down. But what I can do is for the rose bush, I'll get some additional, I have this blank carrier tubing, I'll just tap in, actually I'll tap in from this side because this is the start of the line, so it should have more pressure. And I'm gonna tap in and take maybe a gallon drip or 2 gallon emitter directly to the rose bush to make sure that it has water. Yeah, so yeah, I think that's what I'll have to do, just to make sure it's happy. So I'm gonna stop the water test and then I'm gonna get some mulch. Okay guys, problem solved. So I put 2 gallon emitters over there and it's doing the trick. One thing about David Austin roses is that they are water hogs. They need a lot of water. So I just want to make sure that's going to be happy, and I think it will be. So I've already trenched over here. I'm going to go get some glass jars because I need to cover the pink dandelion before I start throwing mulch there because I don't want to destroy anything. But I need to put the fertilizer sticks in for that rose, and let me show you what I'm using. I'm using the Job's fertilizer spikes because these, I apologize for the noisy pooch. She's not happy. Hang on. Hey, Bumper Snoot, what would you like to tell your adoring fans? Yeah. Okay. We're gonna go for a walk in a second. Okay. Okay. Let me just put these in, and then I'll take you for a walk. Okay. I know you want to go for a walk. Okay. No. You can't eat the fertilizer sticks, Boo. Those are not for puppies eating. Okay. Stand right here. Okay. He is mad at me. Okay. So I lost the little cap on it. It's somewhere floating around here. Basically, you stick the fertilizer spike like a foot away. I'm only going to use 2 because I want to see how these work. And not to mention there's other fertilizer in here. And you just hammer them into the ground. And I'm just going to, technically I know I'm not supposed to use my hammer to be putting dirt down, but oh well. And then I'm just going to do another one on the other side. And this fertilizer spike will last for 3 months. So, which makes me happy. Okay, so now that that's taken care of, now I can put down the mulch. Okay guys, so hopefully you can hear me over the traffic, but as you can see, I put some glass jars over a couple of the seedlings. That's the pink dandelion. I think you guys probably remember over when I was doing that section over there that I put cups down because I didn't want the mulch to, like, you know, smother it or just destroy it. It worked okay, but they moved a little bit. I think that I saw Angela from Parisian Farm Girl use glass jars like this. She did it as a mini greenhouse effect, but I think these will do a lot better in terms of protecting the plants from the mulch. So I'm going to get this mulch. We're supposed to be getting a really big rainstorm this evening. So I'm going to mulch these 2 sections. And then I'm going to go from there. Now, guys, I just want to point that out. This was supposed to be Amazing Gray Poppy. So I must have gotten some, yeah, something got mixed up. So anyway, hopefully some of these are actually Amazing Gray. We shall see. But I'm gonna get these 2 areas mulched up, and then I think I'll just run the tubing in the orange section of the garden. So I'll set up the camera right now. Okay guys, so I got the entire memorial garden mulched. Now I'm sure you noticed that there's a silver collar around this one and not that one. I only got 2 sections of this to start because I wasn't sure how well it's going to work. I just put it behind the other edging because I wanted to keep the mulch in, but also I wanted to prevent the rocks from ending up in the flower bed, which is what was happening. So now that I see how well they work, I'm going to get 2 more, one for that side and one for this side. So the next project tonight is going to be starting the orange section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put down the tubing. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm running it, I think, off of this one in the corner, so it already has 200 feet. Now I think I could probably go 300, because that spigot that's right there, I really want it to water what's in here, in this giant section right here. So, but what I might have to do is I might have to put a splitter maybe on that one and do part of the driveway bed, because I definitely want to put all of the shrubs on one. So anyway, I'm gonna have to figure it out how I intend to do it, because that spigot right there is controlling the memorial fountain, which is not that much, but I also wanted to do this particular bed right here. So that's why I got a lot of spigots, because I wasn't sure how I was going to make all of this work. But I definitely need to run the driveway beds off of one of these 2 spigots. So I think I'm going to have to get a splitter. I think that's what it's going to come to, guys. So, but like I said, I'll keep you posted. We'll see. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it at this end, and then kind of do a circuit around through the flower bed and come back this way and kind of, you know, do a smaller circuit till I get to the center. So we'll see how it works. What I may do is like basically stop it at the corner where the orange section ends, and then with the front part of the driveway bed, connect it to maybe this particular that particular bed, which would be the green, at least into the yellow and green, and that little section, because I need to use that particular thing to water everything, or almost everything in here. So you know what, I'll think about it, because I think somewhere over here is also, I think it's right here. I think I also put another, did I not do that? Okay, oh wait, there it is. Okay, so there, I can go from, I can tie in from this bed to over here. So I got to figure out how all this is going to work, guys. But right now, look at those clouds. I'm going to grab the stuff that shouldn't stay outside and take some cover. Let me go grab the dog, because I can't leave him out here either.